This is a CF54 handle replacement. Start off by shutting off your computer and removing your battery if you've not done so already. Then you can go ahead and flip your computer over. Make sure that you've removed your media drive dummy, your battery, your hard drive caddy. Then once those are removed, you can go ahead and start to remove your bottom cover. There's a few screws on the top, and then there's 2 in the back as well. Go ahead and remove all those screws and then lift the cover up. Once you have the bottom cover off, go ahead and remove the cover for the docking port. It's just 2 screws and the cover should come right up. Then go ahead and carefully remove the docking port. Be careful with the connectors for the ribbon cable. It is fragile and breaks easy. You don't want to break that. It's built into the motherboard. Go ahead and disconnect the other ribbon cables and get the antenna wires unplugged and out of the way. Then go ahead and remove the screws holding the bottom cover, the bottom bezel on. Make sure you disconnect the cable for the LED indicator for the batteries. Once you have that disconnected and all the screws out, go ahead and lift the bottom bezel cover off. From there, you have easy access to the handle. Go ahead and lift the handle up. Get your replacement handle. Put your handle back in place. Make sure to put the little brackets on that help hold the handle in place and allow it to move smoothly. Grab your bottom bezel cover, feed the antenna wires through. Go ahead and set it in place. Make sure once you have it firmly in place, go ahead and start reconnecting your antenna wires. The antenna wires are awfully small. You may need to use a pair of tweezers if you can't get it with your fingers. Make sure to run them through where they were originally. Reconnect it to your Wi-Fi card and to your WAN card if you had a WAN card installed. Go ahead and reconnect the connector for the battery indicator light. Put your put your docking port back in place, connect the ribbon cables and the docking port ribbon cable. Again, be careful with the connectors for the ribbon cable. They are fragile, you don't want to break them. Once you have the docking port in place, go ahead and put the cover back in place and screw it back down. Go ahead and start putting your bottom bezel cover screws back in. Make sure all the screws are put back in firmly. Go ahead and put your bottom cover back on and screw it back down as well. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and put your media drive dummy, your hard drive, and your battery back in place. And then you'll be all done with your repair. If you have any questions or comments, just let us know. You can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788. Or you can send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com.